Hola a todos ustedes, bienvenidos a mi canal, mi nombre es Lizbeth y por el día de hoy les traigo este tutorial de maquillaje que es en tonos verdes. Es un color muy bonito y este es perfecto como para una fiesta elegante, una fiesta de noche, ir al antro o no sé, es algo súper bonito. Y pues espero que les haya gustado el resultado de este maquillaje. Y pues si quieres ver cómo yo recreé este maquillaje, pues por favor quédate y sigue viendo.
Hi everyone, my name is Liz and I am going to teach you how I did my makeup. First, I am going to be applying my eyeshadow base, and this one is from NYX Cosmetics. I'm going to be using this Morphe palette. I'm going to apply this beautiful color on my crease. Make sure to blend it in really nice because this is going to be our transition color. So moving on into the next color, I am going to be using this one from the same palette and I am going to apply it on the crease of my eye and make sure to blend it in really nice. Next, I am going to be using this brown color, it calls Epic, and I am going to apply it on the deep crease of my eye. I want more like a dramatic look or a little bit darker, so I am going to be using this dark brown and I am going to apply it on the deep crease of my eye. Now I am cutting the crease and I am going to be starting from the inner lid. I am going to be using this eyeshadow base from NYX Cosmetics. Moving on into the last color, I am going to be using this green eyeshadow. It is from Bare Minerals and I am going to apply it on the lid of my eyes. I am going to be doing a really dramatic eyeliner. As you can see, the whole makeup already looks dramatic, so I want a dramatic eyeliner as well. I am going to be putting my fake eyelashes at the end because I want my eyeliner to be like really dry. Moving on into the face, I am going to be using this oil face from L'Oreal Paris. I am going to be putting 2 or 3 drops because I don't want my face to be like really oily. The foundation that I am going to be using is from Maybelline New York and I am going to apply it with my wet sponge. For concealer, I am going to be using this one from MAC on the shade NC30. And I am going to apply it with the same sponge that I apply my makeup. I'm just gonna set my makeup with this setting powder from Cover FX. This is a translucent powder, which is really nice because it doesn't apply too much color to your skin. For contouring my face, I am gonna be using this bronzer from Amuse Cosmetics. For my cheek color, I am going to be using this powder blush from Melanie Cosmetics. And then for the highlight, I am going to be using this one from MAC Cosmetics, and this one is the Soft and Gentle A36. And I am going to be applying it on my cheeks, on my nose, on my forehead, on my brow bone. From the same palette, I am going to be grabbing this dark brown color, and I am going to be applying it on my outer lower lash line. I don't know if I say that right or if you understand what I say, but yeah, just follow what I am doing. I am going to be applying this green color on the inner lower lash line. For the waterline, I'm going to be using this brow highlighting pencil, and this one is from Benefit. And for my lips, I'm going to use this gloss from NYX Cosmetics. For the lashes, I am going to be using this one from Vegas Nay. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if this is your first time watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!
If she a baby mama, she gon' do that baby mama.
Work.
She gon' put it on you. She gon' do that baby mama.
Drop it down, drop it down, drop it down, drop it down, down low.